Hello everyone, my name is Rajnish Chaudhary, Regional Head Cloud Operations in RCE Technologies Private Limited. Today we going to continue in our RCE Cloud Tech series, third video. This is about Chatbot, Automated Assistant. So let us discuss first about what is Chatbot. So Chatbot is basically a computer program that can interact with human over the internet. As an example, if you open any website, if you need any assistance regarding a website, you have a pop-up. This happens because of automation, or in other words, chatbot. So it gives user a new way to interact with your product by building engaging voice or text-based conversation interface. It looks like this. Let me open a website and show you directly. Here is our website. If you scroll down little and see at right bottom corner, there's assistance. Let me start a new conversation. It looks like this is a new person sitting, but this is automatic. If I write, I want to do, let me keep my cursor away, analytic on my data. So it is asking what kind of data you have, structured or unstructured. Suppose I write unstructured. Okay, so it is asking please share the sample if you can. I would say I don't want to, not now. Let me go back to our presentation. So what is the advantage of chatbot? Improved customer experience. So you can provide the support 24/7 whenever someone log in your website or log in your Facebook page or Skype when you are not available or offline. Also it cut down the error in terms of tier 1, tier 2 agents. Suppose a call lands in tier 1 engineer, a customer calls in. Agent keeps on asking couple of basic questions wherein customer has already addressed those questions in the previous conversation. It takes out the historical data from the database, inform the customer that this was the issue, whether it is resolved or not, or if you need some other services as of now. So customer satisfaction definitely improves. Other than that, there is a potential benefit about your cost saving. Let us see how chatbot works. Chatbot actually work based on 3 classification method. First is pattern match. So suppose we wrote who invented email, this is known, or what is the capital of US. So these are very fixed questions and you can create a pattern about it or already define a pattern and template, and it answers then and there. And this is very static, which is artificial intelligence markup language, AI/ML. Second method is natural language understanding, which is NLU in short form. This has 3 specific concepts: entities, context, and expectations. Entities, what kind of chatbot you are looking for. Is it a payment system for e-commerce or product search, or any assistance which you require regarding some services or product? Based on the entities, you set up the context. If your chatbot is based on a pizza corner or pizza restaurant, then of course the customer always asks about ordering pizza. So the context is about ordering pizza. Context could be new offers, and based on the context expectation. Here we can take another example. Someone goes on product website and asks that I want to purchase a white pair shoe. Expectation is that, or identification is that white shoe. So based on that, chatbot functions. A user choose the automatic assistant manager, where at backend there is a bot assistance is there. We set up the context and then skill them based on the context, create action, and then response. So there are multiple sets here. We will discuss it later on. The third classification method is natural language processing, or NLP. NLP finds a way to convert user speeches or text into structured data. So first is tokenized, where it separates a series of words into tokens. Like in previous examples, we have taken pizza or white shoe or pair of shoe. It tokenizes it. Then it adds sentiment analysis from the previous history or the way user is writing. It normalizes. After that, the program model processes the text, find out typographical errors or common spelling mistakes, or intended what a user want to say based on their approach. Then it identify which category those words belongs to and what response has to be depending on what keyword passed, or subject or verb or object passed. It searches for that particular keyword and address the user experience. Here is the flow chart. We have a messenger through website or through WeChat or Facebook, Twitter. Then there is a NLP layer in between where language processing comes in a picture. At backend, there is a knowledge base and data stores, and based on that it interacts and processes the data to end user. Now let us go and build a chatbot example using Google Artificial Assistance Dialogflow. So let us do live and see how chatbot works. Let me open Google Dialogflow. If you are using first time, create your own login ID and password. After that, go to console, which is at right top corner. You may see these three lines. To create a chatbot, you need to create an agent first. Let us create a test agent. Your time zone, set up a time zone, project ID if you have any. It is saying working. It means that it is trying to create a project. Now initially Dialogflow provides two indent. One is welcome and one is fallback. So welcome indent is it provide initial greetings. By default, a user can write anything based on these keywords and greetings. You need to set up your response, and this is default response. Let us delete all the response and create our own. Welcome to RCE Technology. How may I assist you? Save. Intent is saved. You may see that there is a setup button is running, which is agent training is complete. Let us go back and see. Welcome intent, and it has welcome to RCE Technology. How may I assist you? If you create multiple text, then it will choose randomly one of them answers, and if you create one, then it responds based on these keywords. Anything user can write and your response is always constant. Let us create one more. Create. You may add context, events and training phrases. So let us go, since we are doing it a simple test, we will create training phrases directly. Keyword is test this chatbot or chatbot testing or sample chatbot. And based on that, let us put the response. Thanks, we will get back to you. So these are two intent we created. If you see that, one is sample chatbot, which we created just now, and previously we modified welcome intent, which is our default intent. And if any of the keyword which is not matching, then it will go back to fallback intent, where any response which is not learned, chatbot will respond any one of them. So let us save all, and now let us try it from here. Hi. Okay, there is an error. Google Cloud Service account key is not created, so we need to create the key. Test view all agent. Here is a service account key which has to be created. Now it is created automatically and save. Let us try now. Hi. Say response, welcome to RCE Technology, how may I assist you? Let me write test. Sorry, can you say that again? This is default indent. I think we wrote sample. Thank you, we will get back to you. So the intent which we created, if that intent is matched by writing, it answers. If it doesn't, then it goes to fallback. So let us go in integration and web demo. Here is the link. So this chatbot is done, created. I can open another page, put that link. See, it opens the test chatbot automatically, which we just created. If I write hi, welcome to RCE Technology, how may I assist you? I wrote sample. Thanks, we will get back to you. If I write I need your help, it will respond. Sorry, can you say that again? It means that this line we haven't trained our chatbot and it is responding fallback intent. So this is the way which we can create our chatbot. Let's go back again on dialog flow, and we can integrate to our web page or web portal by copying these text we can copy this iframe to our website page, and this sample chatbot start working. So you can create your chatbot by yourself. Let us go back to our presentation. Here is a summary. A chatbot is basically auto-programmed assistant that can interact with human over the internet. It works on basic principle input data, what we provide to them. Based on input data, it creates an algorithm or learning pattern and fulfill that through output based on the keyword, sentence, or the learning which you have created in algorithm. Now that automatic assistant or chatbot can be integrated with websites, Microsoft Cortana, Cisco Spark, Skype, phone gateways. All these are business segment, and for end user we can create our own Amazon Alexa experience where our customized question and answers can be addressed, Facebook, Twitter, and many more. Thank you for today. If you have any consultation, inquiry, or assistance, you can write to us to our email IDs. Do subscribe our channel. Thanks for today.